Hello everyone, this is Ahmed Muntasir and welcome to the American Training Academy, the place where you will unlock your potential to achieve the best in your life. Today I came to share with you in episode number 1 in the winner's recipe, how winners see failure differently and how they use it to their advantage. First of all, failure doesn't stop winners from achieving their goals. And it didn't stop them from taking actions because they know that failure is part of their journey to success. And second, winners are always prepared. They are always prepared by having a plan B, by having alternatives, which will give them more control on their lives. And third, winners focus on the big picture. And what we mean by focusing on the big picture, that winners focus on the big goal. So if they didn't achieve their goal from the first time, they don't say, we failed. They will say, we failed in first trial in the journey of success to this goal. And fourth, winners learn from their mistakes. And winners never give up. Because they know that every time when they have a new trial, at the end they will reach their goals. And they will have the life that they are dreaming about. Today we shared with you those 4 things that allowed winners to see failure differently and to use it to their advantage. Until we meet on Tuesday, remember it's never too late to start living the life that you have dreamt about. Thank you so much for joining